Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. Now let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a multi-lane road near large vehicles such as trucks and buses. These vehicles are much bigger than passenger cars, and because of their size and height, the driver cannot see everything around them. In the picture, you can clearly notice shaded areas around the truck and the bus. These areas show where smaller vehicles can completely disappear from the driver's view. This situation is extremely dangerous, especially if a car stays too long beside or behind a large vehicle. Question: are areas around trucks or other large vehicles in which other vehicles may disappear into blind spots? Answer 1, weaving zones. Answer 2, no zones. Answer 3, zero zones. Answer 4, gore areas. Detailed explanation. Answer 2, no zones. Correct. No zones are the blind spots around large vehicles like trucks and buses where the driver cannot see other vehicles, even when using mirrors. These areas exist directly behind the truck, along both sides of the truck, especially on the right side, sometimes directly in front due to the vehicle's height. If you drive in these zones, the truck driver may not know you are there at all. This can lead to very serious crashes, especially when the truck changes lanes, turns, or slows down suddenly. To stay safe around large vehicles, drivers should avoid driving next to trucks for long periods. Pass trucks quickly and safely. Never cut in closely in front of a truck. Keep a large following distance behind them. The term no zones is commonly used to emphasize that you should not stay in these areas at all. Answer 1, weaving zones. Incorrect. Weaving zones refer to areas of traffic where vehicles merge and exit, such as near freeway ramps. They have nothing to do with blind spots around large vehicles. Answer 3, zero zones. Incorrect. This term is not used in traffic safety. While it may sound similar, it has no official meaning related to truck blind spots. Answer 4, gore areas. Incorrect. Gore areas are the triangular sections of pavement between lanes at exits or entrances. They are not related to visibility or blind spots around trucks. Summary: large vehicles have huge blind spots, and smaller vehicles can completely disappear from the driver's view. These dangerous blind spot areas are called no zones, and drivers should avoid them whenever possible. Final answer: no zones. Now let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a city street that has a clearly defined curb and sidewalk, and you need to park your vehicle facing uphill. The road surface slopes upward, meaning the front of your vehicle is higher than the rear. On the right side of the road, there is a sidewalk with a solid curb separating it from the roadway. At first glance, parking in this situation may seem simple and routine. Many drivers focus only on stopping the car and engaging the parking brake. However, the direction in which you turn your front wheels is extremely important and plays a critical role in preventing accidents. Improper wheel positioning can cause a parked vehicle to roll into traffic, strike another vehicle, or even injure pedestrians if the brakes fail or the vehicle begins to move unintentionally. Because of the potential danger, this scenario is frequently included on driving knowledge tests and is an essential part of safe driving practice. Question: if you park your vehicle facing uphill next to a curb, which way should you point your front wheels? Answer 1, away from the curb. Answer 2, toward the right. Answer 3, toward the curb. Answer 4, parallel to the curb. Detailed explanation. Answer 1, away from the curb. Correct. When you park facing uphill next to a curb, your front wheels should always be turned away from the curb. This means the front wheels are angled toward the roadway, not toward the sidewalk or curb. Why this is important: if the vehicle's brakes fail, are not fully engaged, or the car begins to roll backward due to gravity, the turn wheels will cause the vehicle to roll into the curb. Once the tire contacts the curb acts as a physical barrier that helps stop the vehicle's movement. Instead of rolling freely downhill into traffic lanes, other vehicles, cyclists, or pedestrians, the car is safely stopped by the curb. This significantly reduces the risk of collisions and injuries. Correct uphill parking steps include signal and pull over close to the curb, turn the steering wheel away from the curb, slowly let the vehicle roll back until the rear tire gently touches the curb, firmly apply the parking brake, shift into park, automatic transmission, or into gear, manual transmission. Turn off the engine. Following these steps ensures that even if the vehicle moves slightly, it will remain safely positioned and controlled. Answer 2, toward the right. Incorrect. This answer is too unclear and imprecise. Parking safety rules depend on whether the road is uphill or downhill, whether a curb is present, the direction the vehicle is facing. Simply turning the wheels to the right does not necessarily mean the wheels are positioned correctly. In some situations, turning right could actually increase the risk of the vehicle rolling into traffic. For this reason, this answer is considered incorrect. Answer 3, toward the curb. Incorrect. Turning the wheels toward the curb is the correct technique only when parking downhill, not uphill. If you point the wheels toward the curb while facing uphill and the vehicle begins to roll backward, the car will move away from the curb and directly into the roadway. This creates a serious hazard for moving traffic and nearby pedestrians. Therefore, this wheel position is unsafe for uphill parking and should be avoided. Answer 4, parallel to the curb. Incorrect. Leaving the wheels straight and parallel to the curb provides no protection at all. If the vehicle starts to roll, it will move straight downhill without any resistance or redirection. This can result in the car gaining speed and entering traffic lanes, which is extremely dangerous. Straight wheels are never recommended when parking on a slope. Summary: when parking facing uphill next to a curb, always remember this key safety rule. Turn your front wheels away from the curb. This positioning allows the curb to stop the vehicle if it rolls backward and prevents it from moving into traffic. Combined with using the parking brake, this method greatly reduces the chance of accidents and keeps everyone safer. Final answer: away from the curb. Now let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a highway with 3 lanes in each direction. Traffic is moving at highway speeds, and you notice a vehicle towing a trailer. This could be a car pulling a camper, a boat trailer, or another heavy load. Such vehicles behave differently from regular passenger cars. Because of their size, weight, and limited acceleration, vehicles towing trailers must follow specific lane use rules to keep traffic safe and flowing smoothly. Question: on a highway with 3 lanes in each direction, a vehicle towing a trailer keeps right because answer 1, a no zone exists behind this vehicle. Answer 2, of lack of visibility. Answer 3, of the high speed of the vehicle. Answer 4, it moves slower than other vehicles. Detailed explanation. Answer 4, it moves slower than other vehicles. Correct. Vehicles towing trailers usually accelerate more slowly, take longer to stop, and often travel at lower speeds than other traffic. Because of this, they are required to keep to the right lane on multi-lane highways. Why this is important? Slower vehicles staying to the right allow faster traffic to pass safely on the left. It reduces congestion and sudden lane changes. It improves overall traffic flow and safety. Heavy or long vehicles are more stable when they remain in the right lane instead of weaving between lanes. In many traffic laws, vehicles towing trailers are legally required to use the right lane except when passing or preparing for a turn. Answer 1, a no zone exists behind this vehicle. Incorrect. While large vehicles do have no zones, blind spots, this is not the reason they must keep right. No zones explain why other drivers should be cautious, not why the trailer vehicle chooses a specific lane. Answer 2, of lack of visibility. Incorrect. Limited visibility can be an issue for large vehicles, but it does not determine lane usage. Lane choice is based on speed and traffic flow, not visibility. Answer 3, of the high speed of the vehicle. Incorrect. Vehicles towing trailers usually travel slower, not faster. High speed would be a reason to use left lanes, which does not apply in this situation. Summary: on highways with multiple lanes in each direction, vehicles towing trailers must keep right because they generally move slower than other vehicles. This keeps traffic organized, predictable, and safe for everyone. Final answer, it moves slower than other vehicles. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.